Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all well. Well, for today's video, I would like to try something new. After all, photography it's based on trying different things. If you prefer the old format of tutorials and nothing else, let me know down in the comments. Anyway, let's continue with today's video. Well, today I would like to discuss with you a certain question which I've been asked more and more in the recent years. And more specifically, the question is, do I still need to buy a digital camera if I want to make pictures? Or I can buy instead a phone and use the camera which comes with it. Without any further delay, let's go. As we said, probably, and you like me have heard the question at least once in the recent years. Why is that? Well, I assume it's because of the quick and rapid advance which we have got in the cameras on our mobile devices. That's great. Progress, technology, going up and up. Great. Alright then. So, before I give you the answer of my question, or what I'm usually answering when I'm asked this question, we gotta answer to few others. Like for example, how important is the portability and size of the device. If it's extremely important, probably for you it's better to go and buy some of the latest devices, like Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra or iPhone Pro Max. Great devices, great functionality. Otherwise, if you want to spend the time to learn the basics of photography and pull away your camera from the auto mode or any other of the programmable modes, you wanna spend the time to learn the basics like f-stops, shutter speed, ISO, and the other settings, how to control them, and how to set your camera properly for the scene you wanna take as a picture. Yeah, go ahead and buy yourself a camera. It's a best choice, at least for me. Well, another thing which we have to discuss is the price. Okay, we all know that both devices could be quite expensive. But let's look over each and every device individually. When we go and buy our phone, we don't receive just the camera, but we can take and make calls, we can browse through the internet, we can visit the social medias, and so on and so on. Well, that's great. On the other hand, when we talk about the camera, first we have to buy the body. If we are lucky, we're gonna find a kit which includes at least one lens, and that's great. But after, when you start building your experience, you wanna take different pictures, at least at the beginning. No matter it's gonna be a landscape, a portrait, or any other picture. And you're gonna need a different lenses, which will going to increase the price overall. So if the price is the most important thing, and you don't wanna spend any more money, go and buy a phone. Nobody gonna judge you. Let's get a little bit more information about the quality. At least for me, this is my personal opinion. The pictures from the cameras are looking way better. Why I'm saying this one? Well, we all know, and we all have here, how many megapixel this phone camera have got, how many megapixel this camera have got, that camera, and so on. But when we talk about the quality of the pictures, we have to consider something. It's not just the size of the sensor, but the size of the pixels, the individual pixels which are on our sensors. Without getting into way too much technical terms, the simplest way to explain it, it's bigger pixels gives you better quality. I'm not gonna get any further into that rabbit hole, cause we're gonna be here all day. Alright, as we said, in most cases, the quality which are coming from the cameras will gonna be better than those which are coming from our phones. Another thing which probably we have to consider is longevity. At least for me, we can use a camera body for way longer, because more than if we want to use a phone. Why is that? Well, basically, you're not gonna change your camera body every year or every next year. Well, why is that? You see, the progress into development into the camera bodies, it's not as rapid as it's with our mobile phones. Every year the mobile manufacturers are producing newer and newer devices, better cameras, better processors, smaller, thinner, whatever you can think about it, only to get your money. With the camera bodies, the progress, it's not as obvious and is not as rapid. This leading to that you can use the same camera body for the next 5, 6, 10 years without needing to change it. If you want to change it, this is a different matter. But with the phones, unfortunately, right now, you can use your phone for minimum 2 years. Some people are changing them each and every year, or with each and every new generation of phone. But the maximum time for use of a single device, it's usually between 3 and 5 years, at least for me. Alright, after we went through those few questions, I think it's time to give you my answer. Usually when I'm asked the question, what should I do? Do I need to buy myself a dedicated camera unit, or I can use the camera which is coming with my phone? Well, usually I'm answering with it depends. Why it depends? Well, it depends because of the certain situation. What you gonna use the pictures for? How important is the quality of the pictures for you? What kind of a range you wanna go for, and are you prepared to sacrifice size for functionality and technical specifications, and the reach which you can go, and to what extent you wanna go with your pictures? Do you wanna just to snap a picture and memorize a certain moment, or you wanna go to the professional side, become a professional photographer, and start making your money this way? Let me know in the comments down below what is your opinion and what your potential answer will gonna be. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe for the channel, and I will see you next time. See ya, peace.